out here doing a bit of kayaking. When the water's really high like this, you know, like I said before, the woods are just a labyrinth of little waterways and bogs. So I decided this time I'm going to bring the kayak out. I'm not sure what I'm going to get into today, but hopefully we'll see a bunch of wildlife, some alligators. Probably going to go out to my secret fishing hole for a little while. And yeah, it's just all about enjoying yourself, coming out here and relaxing. And don't necessarily have to have a goal. You just come out here and have a good time. So hopefully it'll be nice and quiet. We won't get run over by any airboats or anything like that. But we'll see. All right. Shouldn't be so hard the second time around. dumped rain on me. It rained for a good 30 minutes. I mean, it rained solid and heavy for 30 minutes. I mean, it's still getting sprinkles right now. But I gotta be ready to throw the plastic back over top of the camera. Basically, I'm throwing plastic over you guys. But no, that was intense. Lightning snapping all around. That was just so cool. It's dangerous, you know. Shouldn't be out here during those type of weather events, but you know, you're out here already, so. But I tell you, when the rain starts coming down like that and lightning snapping and the water splashing all around from the raindrops, I mean, it looks like something out of like the movies, like the Amazon or something. It's the coolest experience, and I love it. I can't get enough of it. And this jacket, I'm dry and warm. I'm dry and warm. My ankle's not so much. The boat's got a lot of water in it, but but that rain was just coming down. Lightning snapping, thunder. Man, that was something else. That was so cool.